Good morning, everybody. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drewski, for the today's update for the construction. And right now it's raining snow, and today's date is January 23rd, 2023. In Pottsville, Pennsylvania, right now it's about like 9:15. And I see these men over there. I didn't see them to be there today in the bad weather. How do they just do that when it's raining? I think usually they don't come when it's a bad weather, but they want to get this over with. And it's last time I did like an update video of the construction, which was about 5 days ago, back on the 18th day of January. And speaking about it, this is the first 3 weeks. When like the construction's here. Yep. They were here for 3 weeks since January 2nd. Yep. You believe this? Maybe they want to get parts of it done anyway, to get it over with. Give like a little close up, since we haven't done this like in a little while. Just like building a tent to get ready for the circus. I've seen that in Disney's Dumbo in 1941. Well, that's when the people were putting up the circus tents and everything in the storm. This is almost like to compare to that. They're going to put all the gold carts in there in the very near future, when the time comes. Well, at least we made it to like the middle of winter. And we're in late January anyway. January's fading out. If you ever get this done, maybe I can move on with some other recordings as well. Look at that, he's climbing on the thing. The other day they were sawing parts of the wood. Yeah. I didn't expect these people to be there today. It's just a coincidence. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this first part of this the construction update for January 23rd, 2023. I'll see you next time when I have you more updates. Right now I gotta charge my camera. Please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous construction videos on Laurel Boulevard that we've been doing for the past 3 weeks. Later, folks, and keep you posted. Bye.